Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the types of the what here the isomerism. Yesterday we take the structural isomerism types first and second. First called as chain isomerism, second is called as what here the positional isomerism. So the structural isomerism have the 5 types. First called as chain isomerism, second is called as positional isomerism. Now we take a third topic here. The third point of third types of the what here the structural isomerism is called what here. So we take the third point, it's called as the what? Functional isomerism. What here beta? So we take the discuss here the topic called as the functional isomerism. What here? What is the functional isomerism? So it is defined as the molecule which have the compound, the isomer, which is the same molecular formula but different what here functional group called as what? The functional isomerism. Now we take the example here for definition. The compound which have same molecular formula, which have same molecular formula but different functional group called as what here called as the functional isomerism. So the compound which is the same molecular formula but different functional group called as what is functional isomerism. For example, the functional group alcohol means CH3CH2OH. It is called as the name of the compound called ethyl because C2H5 ethyl and the OH is called as the alcohol. This compound contain a OH is a functional group of alcohol. These OH are changes into the CH3OCH3. So the compound which is the same molecular formula, how many carbon? 2 carbon means C2, how many H5? C2H5 and this one 6O, C2H6O. It's the molecular formula of the ethyl alcohol and it's a what here? The structural formula. Here also how many carbon? 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen O. The compound which is the same molecular formula, MS called as a same molecular formula but different what here? Functional group. It is alcohol. Here ROR, it is called as a functional group of ether. So the two compound are compound which is the same molecular formula but different functional group. It is a alcohol. It is a CH3O CH3 called ether here. So it is called as what here beta? Functional isomerism. यानी कंपाउंड जो रहेगा जिसका मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला सेम रहेगा बेटा लेकिन जो उसका फंक्शनल ग्रुप डिफरेंट रहेगा. यहाँ पे OH अल्कोहल है और ये जो O है CH3O CH3 ईथर और डायमिथिल ईथर. सो द कंपाउंड विच इज द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला बट डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप, वन कंटेन अल्कोहल, सेकंड इज कंटेन व्हाट हियर ईथर. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द फंक्शनल आइसोमेरिज्म. पॉइंट नंबर थर्ड. नाउ वी टेक द पॉइंट नंबर फोर्थ. व्हाट हियर? द मेटामेरिज्म. सो वी टेक द वर्ड हियर the metamerism isomers. So what is metamerism? So it is defined as those compound which have the same molecular formula, same what here the functional group but the arrangement of a carbon on the either side of functional group is different. Clear? So it is defined as the compound which have same molecular formula, and what here? Functional group but the compound is same molecular formula and same functional group but it's having unequal unequal distribution of carbon atom called as what here? Metamerism. ठीक है बेटा, what is the definition of the metamerism? It is defined the compound which is the same molecular formula and functional group but and having unequal distribution of the carbon atom called as the metamerism. For example, now with example of the here metamerism is what? So with example here, so especially the example of the metamerism is called what here? It is called as the ethoxyethane. So CH3 CH2 O CH2 CH3, especially it is a O means any compound which have the attached to oxygen, it is called as the functional group of ether. So these ether also change into this oxygen are shifted toward this carbon, so we get a CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3. Now the compound is same molecular formula. How many carbon? It contains a C4. How many? 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 H10O. It also contains the C4H10O. The compound which has the same molecular formula, it is a MF called as the molecular formula, and same functional group. Here ether O, here also ether O, same functional group but different distribution of the what? The unequal distribution of carbon atom. Here this oxygen are in between, it contains 2 carbon, here it contains 2 carbon, but here it contains a 1 carbon, it contains a 3 carbon. It is called unequal. Equal means oxygen have the same atom attached, equal distribution. So the compound which has the same molecular formula and same functional group but different unequal distribution of carbon, or the group attached to the oxygen is unequally or different side, called as the what? The metamerism. It means the ether shows the metamerism. So metamerism means यानी कहने का मतलब जो बेटा कार्बन है वो कार्बन का एक्सचेंज होता जाएगा. इसमें 4 कार्बन है, मिडल में ऑक्सीजन है, ऑक्सीजन पहले आ गया, इसे बोलते हैं मेटामेरिज्म. फॉर एग्जांपल इथर शो द मेटामेरिज्म on the either side of the oxygen have the unequal distribution of the carbon. Here 2 carbon, here 1 carbon, here 3 carbon. It's unequal distribution called as what here? The metamerism. ठीक है. So it is defined as the compound which has the same molecular formula and functional group but unequal distribution of the carbon atom on the any functional group called as what? Metamerism. For example, ether show the metamerism. Unequal distribution, here 2 carbon, here 2 carbon, but here what? 1 carbon, here 3 carbon. It's called undistribution of carbon on the either side of oxygen. It's oxygen. ठीक है. It is called as what है बेटा? Metamerism. Clear है? Now last year, number 4th, we take the word tautomerism. What here? Tautomerism. ठीक है बेटा. What is tautomerism? It is defined as the compound which have the same molecular formula but the arrangement of atom in the compound to change one functional group to another functional group is called as the word? Tautomerism. Clear? So the compound which have the same molecular formula but arrangement of atom and to change functional group called as what are called as the tautomerism. Tautomerism. For example, keto-enomerism means changing a one ketone to enol. Enol means the suffix of all alcohol. To change the ketone into what is alcohol itself called as what? Tautomerism. So the compound which is the same molecular formula, the compound have the same molecular formula but arrangement of atom, and to change the functional group to change the compound which is the same molecular formula but arrangement of atom and to change the functional group is called as what? Tautomerism. For example, now we take example here, aldehyde or ketone. So we take example like ketone C double bond O, ketone, clear? On tautomerism, this H are shifted to this oxygen. So what do we get? We get here C attached to the what? Oxygen. So it is called as the C double bond called as what here beta? Ketone. It is called as the OL, called as the alcohol. So the compound which is the same molecular formula and arrangement of atom to change the one functional group to another functional group is called as tautomerism. So keto-enol tautomerism, ketone are changing to enol called as suffix of alcohol. It is an example of tautomerism. यानी कहने का मतलब कंपाउंड में से एटम को अरेंज करना और एक फंक्शन को चेंज करना दूसरे फंक्शन ग्रुप में से क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग बेटा? टॉटोमेरिज्म बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हमने क्या लिया एग्जाम्पल बेटा? टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म. फर्स्ट टाइप चेन आइसोमेरिज्म, सेकंड पोजिशन आइसोमेरिज्म, थर्ड स्टार्ट किया फंक्शनल आइसोमेरिज्म, मेटामेरिज्म एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर व्हाट हियर? द टॉटोमेरिज्म. अच्छे से आप बेटा इसकी डिफाइन लिखो और इसकी एग्जाम्पल लिखो. ओके, क्लियर? थैंक यू सो मच.